If you're choosing between Miro and Padlet for your visual collaboration or brainstorming needs, here's a clear comparison to help you pick the right one for your workflow. Padlet is designed for simplicity and ease of use. It offers a digital bulletin board style workspace where you can quickly add sticky notes, images, links, or documents and share them with others. It's especially popular in educational settings or with small teams who want a straightforward, intuitive interface. Padlet is very friendly for beginners. You can set up boards fast, invite collaborators, and start collecting ideas without much setup or training. Miro, on the other hand, is built for larger-scale collaboration and a broader range of use cases. It provides an infinite canvas, extensive templates for brainstorming, mind mapping, and project planning, and integrations with many productivity tools. Miro shines when teams need to work visually across departments, design, product planning, or workshops, and when you want more than just a simple board for ideas. It handles complex workflows, real-time collaboration with many users, and offers more detailed features overall. In terms of ease of use, Padlet is lighter and simpler. If you just need a quick tool for idea sharing, visual collection, or classroom-style collaboration, you'll likely find Padlet faster to pick up. Miro offers more depth, which means there's a bit more to learn, so if you want something quick and easy, Padlet may win. But if your goal is visual collaboration across larger teams or structured sessions, Miro's extra learning curve pays off. For collaboration and features, both allow real-time teamwork, comments, and shared boards. However, Miro provides more advanced tools, multi-user editing at scale, workshop features like voting and timers, and integrations with platforms like Slack or Jira. Padlet is excellent for simple collaboration, especially in small groups or informal settings, but may lack some of the richer features that power complex team projects. When it comes to pricing and value, Padlet offers accessible options ideal for small teams or educators. Miro also has a free tier, but unlocking advanced tools requires upgrading. So, if your needs are basic and budget-conscious, Padlet gives strong value. But if you need a more powerful, scalable platform with deep integrations, Miro is a worthy investment. To sum it up, choose Padlet if you want something simple, fast, and easy to use for collecting ideas or collaborating in small teams. Go with Miro if you need a versatile, professional workspace for brainstorming, project planning, or creative collaboration at scale. Both are great tools. Padlet shines for simplicity, while Miro stands out for its flexibility and power. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI and productivity tool reviews, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next tech breakdown.